Nigerian singer Davido has hit 1 million likes on the gram. The now father of 3, who continues to record new achievements, has made history as the first Nigerian celebrity with the most liked Instagram picture. Davido had made a grand return to social media with locked up photos of him and his wife Chioma. Within a few hours, the picture gathered over 1 million likes. Checking on his Instagram page, the singer's picture had gotten 1,329,331 likes and 205,182 comments and counting. This is a big feat for the singer, who remains the most followed African celebrity. This new achievement is coming hours after Davido became the first African artist to perform in Qatar at the World Cup closing ceremony. The singer has made it known to all that he is back and better, and fans have expressed their joy at his return. Are you a Davido fan? Within a few hours, the picture gathered over 1 million likes. Checking on his Instagram page, the singer's picture had gotten 1,329,331